Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is from textbook unit number 8, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. Robert Frost was a famous American poet, and his poetry focuses on the theme of nature, in which he embedded the contemporary and philosophical issues of his time. As far as this poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening is concerned, it's a beautiful piece of writing, and as any piece of writing may have different interpretations, this poem too has many themes. As far as the summary of the poem is concerned, on the surface, this poem is about a traveler who is stopping by some woods on a snowy evening. The traveler takes in the lovely scene in near silence, is tempted to stay longer, but acknowledges the pull of obligations and the considerable distance yet to be travelled before the traveler can take rest. There, as there are many themes of this poem, the possible themes, first possible theme is in nature you can find beauty and peace at heart. Another theme of the poem can be you cannot choose what you really want to do if you have promises to keep, which are your duty and responsibility to fulfill. And as we see in the last stanza, the traveler says, the woods are lovely, dark, and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Another theme of this poem can be about death and departure to another world. Man has been sent in this world with a specific person. Person should acknowledge his task. A person should fulfill his duties assigned by the Almighty, and then person should return to the eternal life with success. Students, you need to read this poem through textbook, and if you do not understand anything, feel free to ask. Thank you.